Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem that has us dealing with ratios and then finding a unit rate. So this is a problem I'm taking from CPM. This is from course 2, and this one is specifically from section 4.3.1 and number 4-79. So it says Sammy is training for a running race. Today he ran 3 3/5 miles in 33 minutes. Wants to know what is the pace in miles per hour. So first of all, what we've got is a situation here where this right here would be a rate, right? We already are given a rate, and we can write rates as ratios, right? As a fraction. So I'm going to actually do that right now. So it's 3 3/5 miles, right? For every 33 minutes. Okay. Grab a different pen here. So it's 3 3/5 miles. There we go. For every 33 minutes. That's what I have, right? So I want a unit rate, and I want my unit rate to be miles per hour. So I have got to convert this into miles per hour. First of all, my math here, I have miles per minute. So this is miles per such and such minutes, but I need hours. So I'm gonna get my rate as a rate per minute first, then convert that to per hour. I think that might be the one of the routes that we'll take here. So I'm gonna get my unit rate. And remember, unit rates, by the way, just to make sure we all understand, unit rate is always some number over 1, right? My denominator is going to always be 1. That's the unit rate, something per 1. So I want to get this fraction. Right now, I know it's a fraction within a fraction. It's a ratio. And I want to do math to it to get it to be 1 minute. That's what I'm going to start with. That's going to give me my miles per minute. So what math do I have to do? I have to take and get this 33 to be a 1. So what do is, given a fraction, you just divide the bottom by 33 and divide the top by 33. So you divide top and bottom by the same number, right? You can do that to fractions. That would convert this ratio to be something over 1. Now, I'm looking at this math, this 3 3/5 miles per 3 3/5 miles per 33 minutes, and I'm thinking, okay, I got to divide by 33. So I'm going to use a calculator for this one. I think that's if this was a question on a test or something, I'm sure the numbers would be nicer, but we'll convert this. And 3 3/5. Hopefully, you know that 3/5 is 3.6. So on my calculator, I'm putting 3.6 divided by 33. Okay. And it looks like what I get is 0.109, and that 0.9 just continues to repeat. Okay, so that's going to be that's how many miles per minute there are. Well, I want it to be per hour, right? Per 1 hour. That's the actual unit rate that I'm looking for. So once I have it per minute, I know then to get to be per hour, we would just multiply by 60 because there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So in this case, now I'm going to multiply by 60. So I'm going to take that number that I have already in my calculator, the 0.109 repeating, and I'm going to multiply that by 60. And that'll give me my number, which is 6.54 repeating. And that's how many miles per hour is his race. So his pace. So my final answer here is, and I can write it a different way, but I'll write it. It's 6.54 repeating miles per hour. So that right there is the final answer based on the mathematics you see here. Okay, there you go.